In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off message forwarding on Telegram quickly and easily on your PC. This is a useful privacy setting if you want more control over your content, and you do not want other people to forward your messages in a way that shows your account details. If you like simple tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your PC. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where all of your account settings are stored. From there, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see several options for customizing your Telegram experience. What we want here is the Privacy and Security section, so go ahead and click that next. This is where Telegram keeps your account visibility, messaging, and privacy controls. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, scroll or look through the options until you find Forwarded Messages. Click on it to open the Forwarding Privacy settings. This option controls what happens when someone forwards your messages from your account. Now, to turn off message forwarding visibility, select Nobody. Choosing Nobody gives you the most privacy because it prevents others from seeing your account linked to forwarded messages. This is the setting you want if you're trying to keep your Telegram activity more private. After you select Nobody, the setting should save automatically. And that's it. You've now turned off message forwarding on Telegram on your PC. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference for your privacy. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Telegram tips, app guides, and helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.